market appeared to be holding up until another round of tariff comments from Trump triggered another sharp move downward. Lately, it feels as though these tariff mentions are no longer being avoided, but rather deliberately placed into daily conversation. Today's drop followed new headlines about the proposed 104% tariff on Chinese imports, causing yet another sell-off. The Nasdaq continues to fall and futures are pointing lower as well. At the moment, Bitcoin is not in an oversold state, which makes trading conditions even more difficult. The best approach for now is to observe and, when trading, proceed with care and patience. Whether or not the market can hold above 74,000 may prove to be a key factor in determining whether investors stay in or begin to exit. Now let's turn to the charts. The key point score has been falling, though the decline has slowed down slightly. At the moment, it sits at 3.53%. Bitcoin dominance and Tether dominance remain elevated, similar to yesterday. Just looking at the colors on the dashboard tells the story. Most of the bars are red. More than 80% of the coins are falling, and more than 95% are showing S signals. Even Bitcoin is showing S signal, so it's clear, even without any detailed analysis, that this is not a day to open long positions lightly. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Yesterday we saw an L signal here, and the price briefly moved above the keyboard line, but today we're seeing a new S signal forming beneath the keyboard line. The signal appeared close to the buy line rather than the sell lines up here, which would usually suggest a weaker S signal. However, given that we currently have no clear support, we cannot say for sure that this is a weak setup. As mentioned earlier, we need to see a bounce from 74,000 and some signs of support being built there, and only then can we begin to consider a bullish scenario again. Going forward, the real question will be, when will Trump choose to stop mentioning tariffs, and how will China respond? Until we have answers to those two key points, it's best to take a step back and watch carefully. Right now, we simply don't know where the bottom is, so avoid trusting your instinct alone and trade according to the signals.